Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluent Flow English HQ. Today we need to talk about a word that is making your English sound, well, a little boring. That word is very. Stop saying very tired, very cold, or very beautiful. It sounds too basic. In the real world, native speakers use much better words to express themselves. Let's upgrade your vocabulary right now. Instead of saying very tired after a long day of work, use the word exhausted. For example, I've been working for 10 hours. I'm absolutely exhausted. Instead of saying very tired after a long day of work, use the word exhausted. For example, I've been working for 10 hours. I'm absolutely exhausted. Next, when the winter comes or the AC is too low, don't say it's very cold. Say it's freezing. Next time, tell your friends, turn off the AC, I'm freezing in here. What if someone makes you super mad? Don't just say, I am very angry. That sounds like a textbook. Use the word furious. Example, he was furious when he found out about the mistake. When you see something or someone that looks amazing, very beautiful is just too simple. Upgrade it to gorgeous. You can say, the view from the top of the mountain was absolutely gorgeous, and finally, if your room or house is perfectly neat, don't say it's very clean. Use the word spotless. For example, she spent all morning cleaning and now the kitchen is spotless. See? Just by replacing very with these advanced words, your English instantly sounds more fluent and natural. Which word was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more daily English tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.